Hello dosto, welcome to our channel Crazy Studies. Benefits of a free trade agreement FTA between India and the European Union. Introduction. A free trade agreement FTA is a pact between two or more countries to reduce or eliminate barriers to trade such as tariffs, taxes on imports, quotas, and strict regulations. India and the European Union (EU) have been negotiating a comprehensive trade deal for years, and such an agreement would be one of the most significant economic partnerships in the world. The European Union is one of the largest economic blocs globally, consisting of 27 developed countries with high purchasing power. India, on the other hand, is one of the fastest growing major economies with a huge workforce and expanding markets. An India-EU FTA would connect Europe's capital, technology, and consumer markets with India's manufacturing strength, services sector, and demographic advantage. This agreement would bring wide-ranging benefits for trade, employment, investment, technology, consumers, and global influence. Let us explore these benefits in detail. 1. Boost in exports for India. One of the biggest benefits of an FTA is better access to foreign markets. Currently, many Indian goods entering the EU face import duties. If these tariffs are reduced or eliminated, Indian products would become cheaper and more competitive in European markets. Demand for Indian goods would rise. Indian exporters would gain a larger share of the EU market. Sectors that would benefit most. Textiles and garments. India is a major producer, but tariffs make it less competitive than some other countries. Leather products, footwear and leather goods could see strong growth. Pharmaceuticals, India's generic medicines could expand in Europe. Agricultural products, spices, tea, coffee, rice, and marine products. More exports mean higher production, more jobs, and greater foreign exchange earnings. 2. Growth in India's services sector. India is a global leader in services, especially information technology, IT, software development, business process outsourcing, BPO, financial services, education and healthcare services. An FTA could include liberalization of services trade, allowing Indian professionals easier entry into EU markets. Benefits. Indian IT companies could operate more freely in Europe. Skilled Indian professionals, engineers, doctors, architects, consultants may get better work opportunities. Recognition of Indian qualifications could improve. Indian startups could provide digital services across Europe. Since services are a major part of India's GDP, this could be a huge economic boost. 3. Increase in foreign direct investment (FDI). An India-EU FTA would make India a more attractive destination for European investors. Why European companies would invest more? Reduced trade barriers make production in India more profitable. India offers a large consumer market, competitive labor costs, improving infrastructure and digital economy. Key sectors likely to receive investment: renewable energy, automobile manufacturing, electronics, food processing, infrastructure and smart cities. FDI brings capital, advanced technology, management skills, new job opportunities. This helps modernize India's industries and supports long-term economic growth. 4. Technology transfer and innovation. The EU is known for advanced technology in green energy, manufacturing, healthcare, equipment, digital technologies, sustainable agriculture through joint ventures and partnerships. European firms investing in India would bring modern technologies and best practices. Benefits for India: upgrading manufacturing processes, better product quality, increased productivity. Growth of innovation and research collaboration. Indian companies can learn from European expertise, helping India move from low-cost production to high-value manufacturing.